Hey, I got something a little bit different format for you guys to try out. I have a SQL 101 course that I've been working on. I'll leave the URL in the comments below the video. But basically what you've got here are four modules that you can go into. We've got getting started with SQL, and there's some video content that comes from the channel as well as some other information for, basic entry level SQL information. What is SQL? We'll talk about that. And basics of databases and SQL. Then we get into modifying data. So this is where we'll talk about your insert, update, and delete statements and some tips that go along with using those. And then we get into a little more advanced concepts with aggregations and groupings. So you can check out that. And after that, we'll talk about joins. So that's when you're working with multiple tables. This kind of explains things in a little bit detail, gives you some Venn diagrams that explain how joins are implemented in databases. And then we just wrap it up with a extra module here for advanced SQL topics where we talk about CTEs and analytic functions. So check it out. It's free to create an account right now. Just looking for people's feedback, what they think of the course, what they might like added, and we'll go from there. Again, I'll drop the URL below, and I hope you guys can try it out.